Hi, little gardeners. Welcome to our phonics garden. Today, we're planting new sounds. We're going to move, pretend, and grow our reading. Ready to plant some sounds? Let's dig in. I have two sounds to learn today, and they are woo and g. Learning sounds are so much fun. Learning sounds are so much fun. Learning sounds is so much fun. Let's learn some sounds today. The first sound I have to learn is woo, like worm or wiggle. Woo sound goes with W. Woo sound goes with W. Woo sound goes with W. Let's learn some sounds today. The other sound I have to learn is G, like goat or garden. G sound goes with G. G sound goes with G. G sound goes with G. Let's learn some sounds today. G, G, W, woo. W has an uppercase, yes, it's true. W has a lowercase, it's a W too. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. W, woo. G has an uppercase, yes, it's true. G has a lowercase, it's a G too. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. Uppercase, lowercase, match and see just how letter smart you can be. G, G. Great work. Let's go ahead and get digging in the garden. Let's play a garden game. If you hear a word that starts with a woo, wiggle like a worm. All right, here we go. Water. Did you wiggle? Great work. Tree. Thumbs down, no wiggle. Worm. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Great work. Rock. No wiggle. Let's pretend to water the garden. Let's pick up our pretend watering can. I brought along my real watering can that I use at Dr. Deanna's headquarters. All right, let's go ahead. When we pour water, it sounds like this. Glug, glug, glug. Can you do that with me? Here we go. Glug, glug, glug. All right, but now let's practice the whoop sound for the letter W when we pour. Are you ready? Here we go. Like water. Great work. Remember, it is very important to give water to plants so they grow. Our brains grow too when we plant seeds of learning and we water it with practice. Let's pretend that we're seeds in the dirt. All right, crunch down really low. Now, when you hear a word that starts with G for the letter G, grow tall into a flower. All right, here we go. Garden. Grow. Butterfly. Stay down. Grass. Did you grow? Great work. Sun. Stay down. All right, here's our last one. Gate. Did you grow? Did you hear the G at the beginning? Wow, you are blooming beautifully. Now let's see what you remember. I'll say a word, and if it starts with a woo, wiggle like a worm. But if it starts with a G, grow like a flower. Here we go. Water. Did you wiggle? All right, let's try another one. Garden. Grow. Wind. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Grass. Grow. Worm. Did you wiggle, wiggle, wiggle? Gate. Grow. Today we planted the sounds woo for the letter W and G for the letter G in our learning garden. W goes with the woo like water and wiggle, and G goes with G like garden and goat. Let's go ahead and practice. Let's practice writing some first words with W that goes with the sound woo. and G that goes with the sound G. All right, my first word is wet. W-et, wet. I heard the W at the beginning, and I know that's the sound that goes with the letter W. So I'm going to put a W in the first box. Here we go. W-e. Ooh, that's the E. And that goes with the letter E. E is a vowel. Let's go ahead and put E in the middle box. That's its short sound. W-e. Ooh, I heard the T at the end, and I know that's the sound that goes with the letter T. So I'm going to put a T in the last box. All right, get out your reading finger. W-e-t. Let's stretch it. Wet. Blend it. Wet. Great work. But what if I want to make this word get? I hear a G at the beginning, and I know that's the sound that goes with the letter G. So I'm going to get Mr. Moogly out, whose eyes are really googly, and I'm going to erase the W at the beginning. Thank you, Mr. Moogly. All right, let's go ahead and let's listen. I heard the G at the beginning. And again, I know that's the sound that goes with the letter G. So I'm going to put a G in the first box. I changed one sound and I made a whole new word. G-et. Stretch it. Get. Blend it. Get. Great work. Now let's try something a little bit different. Listen to my word and tell me, is it a real word or is it a silly bananas word? The word is geb. G-e-b. Geb. That is a silly bananas word. That means it's a nonsense word, not a real word. Let's go ahead and practice those sounds. Here we go. G, e, b. G, e, b. Geb, geb. But do you know that if I change one sound, I can make a real word? Let's give it a try. All right, Mr. Moogly's going to help us out. Thank you, Mr. Moogly. All right, let's make this word web. I took away the G to make it not a nonsense word, and now I add a W. W-e-b. Web. Blend it, web. Just like the spider has a web. Great work. Every time you play with sounds, you're growing into very strong readers. Keep listening, keep moving, and keep blooming, my friends. W-N-G, in the garden we play, planting phonics every day. Great work.